In this video, we listed the 5 best dash cams on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Vantrue N4 Dash Cam. The Vantrue Car DVR offers a comprehensive range of features for recording and monitoring while driving. With an aperture of f1.4 and a warranty of 18 months, this car DVR provides reliable performance and peace of mind. Weighing 800 g and with dimensions of 143,134,108 mm, it is equipped with a supercapacitor battery type and is powered by corded electric. The device has a built-in screen, supports loop cycle recording, and features a night shot function, audio recording, and a rear camera, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The camera resolution is 2560 x 1440 with a wide 150-degree 160-degree view angle, and it supports a maximum external memory of 512 GB. The DVR also includes special features such as G-sensor, motion detection, wide dynamic range, and speed and coordinates recording. It has a 2.45-inch LCD display and supports a variety of languages. The Vantrue Car DVR, originating from mainland China, is designed as a portable recorder and is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. Number 2. AZDOME M550 Car DVR 3-channel camera. The Aliexpress Car DVR is a comprehensive solution for in-vehicle recording and monitoring, featuring 3 cameras and a wide range of advanced capabilities. With an aperture of f1.8 and a working temperature range of -20 degrees to 70 degrees, this car DVR comes with a 1-year warranty and a weight of 400 g. It supports Wi-Fi and micro SDTF input-output, powered by a supercapacitor and corded electric source. The AZDOME app is compatible with this device, and it has a data storage capacity of 128 GB. Equipped with a built-in screen, loop cycle recording, and audio recording, it offers a maximum video frame rate of 30 and includes a night shot function and rear camera for comprehensive coverage. The camera resolution is 3840 x 2160 with a wide 170 degrees view angle and support for a maximum external memory of 128 GB. The car DVR also includes special features such as G-sensor, motion detection, waterproofing, and automatic white balance. It has a 3-5 IPS display and supports a variety of languages. Number 3. DDPAI Dashcam Mola N3 1600 PHD. The DDPAI Car DVR is a portable recorder designed for in-vehicle recording, originating from mainland China. It comes with a 1-year warranty and includes an original package. Equipped with a built-in screen and a single lens with a view angle of 105-degree 140-degree, this car DVR has a camera resolution of 2560 x 1600 and supports a maximum external memory of 128 GB. It features a built-in battery, supports Class 10 memory card reading speed, and has a chipset manufactured by SigmaStar. With a video frame rate of 30 and certifications including CE, FCC, and RoHS, this car DVR offers a reliable solution for in-vehicle recording and monitoring with a focus on simplicity and functionality. Number 4. Sameuo U2000 4K Dashcam. The Dashcam car DVR, originating from mainland China, offers a comprehensive solution for in-vehicle recording and monitoring. With an aperture of f1.8 and a working temperature range of -20 degrees to 60 degrees, this car DVR comes with a 1-year warranty and a built-in battery powered by supercapacitors. It is compatible with the Vidger app and features a built-in screen with loop cycle recording and audio recording capabilities. The device includes a rear camera and a 3-inch LCD display, supporting a screen ratio of 16:9. With a wide 170 degrees view angle, the camera resolution is 2560 x 1440, and it supports a maximum external memory of 128 GB. Equipped with 3 lenses and an imaging sensor from Sony, IMX307, this car DVR includes special features such as G-sensor, motion detection, and built-in GPS. Number 5. Sameuo U2000 Dash Cam. The Sameuo car DVR, originating from mainland China, is a portable recorder designed for in-vehicle recording and monitoring. It features an aperture of f1.8 and operates within a working temperature range of -20 degrees to 70 degrees. The device comes with a 1-year warranty and includes accessories such as a car charger and USB cable, with cable lengths of 3.5 USB cable or 5.5 rear cable. Weighing 0.4 units and measuring 106 by 57 mm, it has a battery capacity of 480 mAh and supports a battery as its power source. The Sameuo car DVR has a built-in screen and supports loop cycle recording, audio recording, and a maximum video frame rate of 60. It also includes a rear camera and features an IPS display with a 16:9 screen ratio. With a wide 170 degrees view angle and a camera resolution of 2880 x 2160, it supports a maximum external memory of 64 GB and includes 2 lenses with an imaging sensor from Sony, IMX307.